Kiran for.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the member for the question. Honourable Speaker, in April 2025, Cabinet endorsed the review of Fiji's Poverty Alleviation and Eradication Strategy Framework of 1999. Our guidance was clear. The framework had to take into account global economic pressures, climate change, and rising living costs that continue to place strain on households, particularly for women, children, persons with disabilities, older persons, and those in rural and maritime areas. The framework, once developed, will advance the National Development Plan's goal of inclusive, sustainable growth by prioritizing poverty reduction, strengthening service delivery, and ensuring equitable opportunities for all Fijians, with key focus on economic resilience, people's empowerment, and good governance, ensuring a prosperous future for all. The review has been supported by 18 line ministries. This framework is not simply a document, Mr. Speaker, but national commitment by the coalition government. Work on the review process commenced in April 2025, with the Poverty Monitoring Unit engaging a consultant through the Australian Volunteers Program to undertake research, planning, and preparations for extensive nationwide consultations. The team also met with divisional commissioners and provincial officers across the country to secure the support in facilitating community engagement. Mr. Speaker, between August and December 2025, Ministry through the Poverty Monitoring Unit conducted 19 community consultations and 5 stakeholder consultations nationwide. These engagements reached a total of 961 participants, including 834 community members and 127 representatives from government, civil society, and faith-based organizations. At the conclusion of the divisional consultations, all feedback was transcribed, summarized, and analyzed, culminating in the development of a comprehensive consultation report. The consultation report has informed the draft of the Fiji Poverty Alleviation Strategy Framework 2026 to 2035. Mr. Speaker, the team had finalized the first draft of the revised framework to be known as Fiji's Poverty Alleviation Strategy Framework 2026 to 2035. This draft has been presented to both state and non-state stakeholders at the National Validation Workshop, which was held on 23rd of April. This draft has been presented to more than 55 representatives from state and non-state stakeholders for review and feedback at the National Validation Workshop to ensure transparency and inclusivity in the development process. Following the National Validation Workshop, all feedback received will be carefully reviewed, consolidated, and incorporated into the final draft of the new framework. The new framework will then be submitted to the Development Subcommittee and subsequently to Cabinet for formal consideration and approval, marking the completion of a comprehensive and participatory framework development process that began in April 2025. Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity. Maybe before I sit down, I would just like to say that we are coming into school holidays, and I plead with parents to take extra care of the children during this time, especially during the sports event, but also over the next 2 weeks. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I thank the Minister, the Honourable Shashi Kiran, a supplementary from Honourable Premier Kumar.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And I thank the Minister.